I am Jeena. I like to play with toys. Lovely. I love to climb walls. I have never been on a train. Have you ever traveled in a train? Soon I will be going in a train to Aunt Mira's wedding. Yippee! I will be traveling with Rita Didi. Today I am going with Rita Didi on train for Aunt Mira's wedding. And when they were sitting in the train, a man was sitting in front of Jeena, and Jeena was thinking about him. Why is he so serious? I don't like him. In the night, Jeena asked to her sister, Rita Di, please let me sleep on the upper berth. I promise, I will be careful. Please, please. Okay, go up. It's all yours. Now stop disturbing me. This is great. Jeena, it's time to go to sleep. I'm turning the light off. Good night. Good night. What a weird person. No fun at all. Oh, this is boring. Hey, what was that? Wow. It's a different fun of moving in a train. Jeena reached at the door of the train and she was looking outside. It was a crowded station. Too much people were there, shops, restaurants. She got scared. Suddenly, somebody held her hand. It was that boring uncle. He took her to her sister. Thank God you found her. Thank you, uncle. I am sorry. I should not go anywhere in the train. Oh, I love my first train ride. You should not wander alone when traveling. Be with elders. So, this is the story of Jeena's first train ride. Hope you have enjoyed this story, students. Thank you so much.